Okay, we're back. This is another one in the nursery. This is hive number 03. It's a double deep 5-frame, and we're going to look see what we got in it. Move our bricks and stuff, which is our secretary. This one here says last time we was in it was 5'6", and it had an unmarked queen, and I added a deep box. So we're going to try to catch that queen again this day. And see what else they need. Seeing that one there is 1/8 of an inch wire. The string wire over the top of it. The only thing with the string wire is if you put that fiberglass or whatever it is over the top, or try to cover the bees up with the fiberglass cloth, they can eat through that fiberglass. Found that out the hard way. I mean, it was okay because it was educational. Bees can eat that stuff. They can't eat the wire. So I use galvanized wire. Okay, this one here has larvae, pollen, eggs. See if we can find that little unmarked queen. Okay, but that's that one. It has brood and eggs. That has a little bit of everything on that. That's, if you're gonna make the split, that would be a good one. This one, let me get my flashlight. Okay, this one has eggs and larvae, and if I was a queen, that's the one I'd be on. But anyway, the bees built that, both sides at the same time, so they could put queen in it, laying on it, put honey in it, or anything else they wanted to. That was their decision. This one has brood. Eggs. Larvae. Nectar. Same thing with that one. It's a good frame. This next one here is a frame that we put in there last time we was inspecting it on 5'6". Today is 5'13". They built that themselves too in a week. It has eggs on it. And it has a yellow queen. So we did mark her. Queen bees love laying eggs on new foundation. This one just laid up. Okay, see what we're going to do with these girls. We're going to need to make a split with these too. Wasn't nothing on that one. One that they haven't done anything to yet. Okay. This is their foundation, their pollen patty. This one is nectar and pollen. This one is nectar and pollen. And they have some open space in there, so let's see what we got. They just haven't done anything with it yet. This is nectar and nectar and pollen up here. This is just open space. I didn't see any queen in it, so we can put it in the top. This one here is laid up. Well, not completely laid up. It has brood on both sides. Okay, we're going to put it here. And we're going to take one of these, put it here. We'll take that one and put it there. Take this one that we have on the bottom that has larvae and brood and stuff on it. And we're going to stick it in the bottom. We're going to take this frame here. With eggs. And we're going to stick it right here in the middle. Okay? Show you what we're going to do in a minute. going to take this one that's laid up and we're going to stick it out here. Yeah, we'll do that. And then we're going to go over here and get a queen excluder. Okay, now this is the queen excluder that I cut. It was a 10 framer because that's all they sold back then. It was a 10 framer, and I cut it a frame and put a frame around it. And it's been sitting out here in the weather. Put them a pollen patty on there to feed their babies. We're going to put this on here. The cracks won't matter. Then we're going to take this one and put up here, which will separate the queen from the bottom box. We're going to make sure both of them have an opening. Pollen patty up there. Now, when we come back, we may have us another nuke that we started downstairs. We're going to put their feeder back up here. Put their snail grove board up here. Nope, that's not snail grove. That's just one with a screen. Snail grove is different. We're going to put that right there. And we'll put another label on it saying that the queen is been marked yellow. Y'all subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share, leave us a comment, let us know what you're doing. I didn't show you the bottom part maybe very well. That's double deep 8. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.